In a big revelation, Indian Air Force Chief Amarpreet Singh has confirmed that 6 Pakistani aircrafts, including 5 fighter jets and another large aircraft, were shot down during Operation Sindoor. The Air Chief Marshal was speaking at the annual 16th Air Chief Marshal L.M. Katre lecture in Bengaluru today. Besides the 6 aircrafts, Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh also confirmed the losses that the Pakistan Air Force suffered on the ground in the aerial strikes at Pakistan air bases. While terming it as largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill, the IAF chief called the Russian-made S-400 surface-to-air missile system a game-changer. He added that Indian Air Force struck hangars in Jacobabad and Bolari in Pakistan. Some fighter jets, presumably the US-made F-16s, which were under maintenance at one of the hangars, were destroyed in the aerial strikes. In Bolari, another AWACS aircraft is also believed to have been destroyed. He further asserted that the damages inflicted by India made Pakistan realize that they would have to pay more if the conflict continued, and this prompted the Pakistani side to seek a ceasefire. The IAF chief's remark is the first confirmation from any high-ranking official of the number of Pakistani jets India damaged during its cross-border anti-terror operation.
Three hangars that we attacked. One was, of course, Sukur, the UAV hangar, the Bholari hangar of AEWNC, and Jacobabad, the F-16 hangar. And we have indication of at least one AEWNC in that AEWC hangar and a few F-16s which were under maintenance there. Apart from these, the SAGW systems, mostly from, I'm talking about fighter aircraft are from S-400. We have at least 5 fighters confirmed kills and 1 large aircraft, which could be either an Elint aircraft or an AEWNC aircraft, which was taken out at a distance of about 300 kilometers. This is the actually largest ever recorded surface-to-air kill that we can talk about.